Hey, this is David. Today I'm going to show you how to test the element receptacle on a GE electric range that has surface elements that won't heat. The element receptacle connects the surface element to the power supply, so electricity can flow to the element and heat it up. Before we get started, hit those like and subscribe buttons if you want to join our do-it-yourself repair community and get notified each time we post a new video guide. With over 2 million products in stock and the know-how to help you do it yourself, we are AppliancePartsPros.com. All you're going to need today is a Phillips head screwdriver. And please remember that safety comes first. Always disconnect your electric range by unplugging it or switching the breaker off. Now let's get started. The receptacle is sometimes called a terminal block, and it's the most common culprit when the element isn't heating. We're going to remove the element and drip pan, and then use a Phillips head screwdriver to remove the single screw that's holding the receptacle. You'll want to take a look inside the plug and see if there's any burn marks where the element has been arcing. And what about the wiring? Do you see any burn marks there? If you see any of these marks, then you'll know that the receptacle needs to be replaced. And when you do this, you can go ahead and replace the element too. If there are scorch marks in the receptacle, there's going to be burned and pitted marks on the element terminals. Once you're done testing, you need to use the single screw to secure it to the top, then put the drip pan in, and now you can put the element in. Don't forget to plug your electric range back in or turn that breaker back on. If you need a new element receptacle, grab your model number and head over to AppliancePartsPros.com to place your order. Your part should be at your doorstep in just a few days. If your element receptacle looks good, then check out our other video guides to find out what's going wrong in your range. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons so that you won't miss our latest videos. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time.